everyone, welcome back to a new video of Brain Bridge Learn. So today in this video we are going to study preposition, which is a part of speech. So let's begin. So first we will have a content, or we can also call it as index. Now what all things we are going to do in today's video. So we are going to have an introduction of prepositions. We are going to learn types of preposition, tips and tricks, and conclusion. Let's move forward. So we have an introduction. Welcome to our grammar lesson. Let's learn about preposition. Tiny words with a big job. So, preposition. Preposition connect nouns or pronouns to other words in a sentence. So, prepositions are the words that connect a noun or a pronoun to another words of the sentence. They show the relationship between words. So they also show the relationship between words. For example, in, at, on, of, to, by, for, about, etc. So types of preposition. Place. These prepositions tells us where something is located in relation to another thing. In, at, on, another, below, behind, beside, between, near, around, inside, outside, and throughout. Some examples are: the book is in the box. So in, it means the book is in a specific place. It is inside the container, inside the box. So the meeting is at 2 p.m. So at, here it is telling a specific time, that is connecting specific time to the other words of a sentence. Then we have the cat is sleeping on the rug, on top of a surface. Where is it? On the rug. Not below, not above, not somewhere else, behind, beside, between, but on the rug. Next we have time. These prepositions pinpoint when something happens or how long it takes. In, at, on, before, after, during, since, until, for, by, past, etc. Example: she arrived in the morning. During a period. When? In the morning. At a specific time of period. So, we will meet at the cafe. Specific location. Here it is telling about a specific location that there only will meet. Neither at the park, nor at the house, at the cafe. The movie starts on Friday. Specific date. Here it doesn't say that if the movie starts on Friday, then we'll go on Thursday or on Sunday. We'll have to go on Friday to see the movie. I haven't seen him since yesterday. Starting from a point. So here, from when haven't you seen him? It is starting from a point. It is saying a specific point. Next we have preposition of direction. So these prepositions show where something is moving or going. To, from, towards, into, out of, across, through, along, around, etc. Example: she walked to the park. Where she would walk? To the park. The bird flew from the tree. Where? From the tree. They ran across the tree. When? The movement across something. Other. These prepositions express a variety of relationships between words: about, with, without, by, for, of, despite, because of, etc. I am happy for you. Expressing feeling. The car is driven by a computer. Agent performing action. The computer is about history. Subject matter. Tips and tricks. Use a thesaurus. Explore synonyms for preposition. Consult a grammar guide. Get help if you are unsure. Read extensively. See how good writers use prepositions. Practice while writing sentences. Focus on using different prepositions. Questions. Do you have any questions about preposition? Feel free to ask and I will be happy to clarify any doubts you have. So, think, change friends. What do you all think the next theme will be? Let's hide. So, theme change and now we are going to learn find the preposition. Right now I have told you about all the types of preposition, what preposition is, other preposition, direction preposition, time preposition, place preposition, and asked you if you have any questions in comment down. Now here you have to find the preposition that which among the all is a preposition and comment down. Question wise. 1 that, 2 that, this, that, like that. Let's begin! So, direction. On the next slide, you will see two different words with a hand signal above each word. Make the hand signal for the word that is a preposition. You may also make a hand symbol or write it in the comment. So, first is on and second is me. You will have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Time's up. What do you all think? The one finger is correct or the second finger is correct? Coming down. I will give all the answers at the end. Until that, comment. Next we have under you. First finger for under, second finger for you. 3 seconds. Let's move on to the next one. She, in. She for the first, in for the second. 3 seconds. Next one. Above for 1, cat for 2. 3 seconds. Next one. Across for 1, road for 2. Dog for 1, bye for 2. 3 seconds. Move to the next one. Width for 1, table for 2. Stored for 1, beside for 2. Into for 1, box for 2. Next we have so. Thank you. This video was created by BrainBridge Learn. And now, if you all want the answers, should I repeat? Okay. So these were all the questions. On or me? The correct answer is on. For those who got it correct, good. Next, under you. The correct answer is under. Those who got it correct, firecrackers for you. She or in. The correct answer is number 2, in. Above, cat. The correct answer is above. Across, road. The correct answer is across. Dog or by. The correct answer is by. With a table. The correct answer is with. Store or beside? The correct answer is beside. Into or box? Into. So thank you. This video was created by Brain Based Lunch. Thank you. Meet you all. Bye bye.